Hi, Satrio. Welcome to the class.
Hi, Miss.
Hello, Khaira. Welcome to the class.
Hello, Miss.
Oh, hang on. Khaira, you're not going to your choir practice anymore? Have
No,
you had the competition
no,
tomorrow, right?
yeah,
So, is it in Surabaya?
no, in Jogja.
So when will you go to Jogja?
Um, sorry, what?
When will you go to Jogja? You said that the choir
Wednesday.
Wednesday. I see. Hi, Sophia. Welcome to the class. Satrio, Sophia. Video on. Audio on. Da-da-da-dum-dum. Hi, Sophia. Welcome to the class. Good evening.
Good evening to
Uh, yo. Sophia is not in the mood today. Good evening, too. Mm. Is everything fine at school?
yeah.
Hmm. How about you, Satria? Was school fun today?
Yeah. Yeah.
Why is everybody when was school fun today? Yeah. Was it really, Satria? You didn't sound excited. Like, yeah. What was oh, wait. Instead of asking was Satrio for real, I'm just going to ask what was fun today at school? This is for all of you. What was fun today at school? So we'll start from Satrio. I don't know, miss. I don't know what was fun at school. Khaira, think about
Playing with my friend, I think.
what was it? Sorry.
Playing with my friend,
Playing
I
with
think.
when you play with your friends, do you play like I don't know. What do boys play nowadays?
We play some baseball.
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 Ooh,
Yes.
nice. Okay. I like that. Sophia, how about you? What was fun at school today?
I don't know.
I don't know. Think about it. I'll come back to you. Was it not fun at school? Sophia, was it not fun at school? It's okay, but if you think it wasn't fun,
Both.
both. So tell me what was fun at school then. I'll come back to you. Think about it. Kaira, how about you?
And
What was fun at school?
there was a natural disaster yeah, simula- simulation
Simulation.
of simulation of an earthquake, so sirens sound and people evacuate themselves in the field. Yeah,
From the building. So was there uh was there firefighters?
no, no.
So who gave you the practice?
Uh, like in English, gempa bumi it's what?
Earthquake?
Gempa bumi.
No, I mean like
Yeah.
who gave the simulation?
Yeah. Sorry.
Gave the simulation? Who gave the simulation?
Oh, yeah. Uh, maybe
PNPB.
everyone in my school.
Oh. So usually it was from either firefighters or BNPB, Badan Nasional
Yeah,
Penanggulangan
the
Bencana.
SPP. Yeah.
Mhm. Oh, there you go. Okay. So it was fun to at least run from the classroom. So, Sophia,
No, I
what else?
don't go out to the class.
See? Protect your head. What else?
No,
Head and oh, this one, the back of your
no,
head. Okay, so there you
yes.
got it. Using your bags, right? Oh no,
Mm.
you leave your
Huh?
bags or do you put your bags on top of your head?
No, no. My hand in my head and my yeah left hand is in my head.
Mm-hmm.
Left left right hand in my
Nape,
yeah sleep.
tangkok. Okay, hang on.
My friends say is that
Nape. Okay, my friend.
my friend said it's like monkey.
What? It's the safest thing. Like you cover your head and
No.
your nape. That's cool. Okay. So there you go. So Sophia, how about you? What was fun at school?
There was a bazaar from class grade 4,
Hmm?
and it was totally so loud and so many people.
Ah, did you? Oh, wait. A question. When the fourth graders were doing their bazaar, can you fifth graders come out and join the bazaar, or do you stay in
No,
the classrooms?
the other grade can buy from them.
Ah, okay. So it was fun always. Market day, bazaars, and so on. Hi, Azizi. Can you hear us?
And tomorrow I have sparkling show.
Oh, I know that one, sparkling shoe. Hi, Azizi. Welcome to the class.
Yeah, miss.
So, what are you going to perform, Sophia?
Tari-tari gitu.
Tari tari. What is tari tari in English? Yeah. Dance.
Yeah, then like from
Okay.
where from Indonesia, like Sumatra.
So, uh, usually Al Hikmah students will go with, uh, it's not someone dance. What kind of dance is it? The other one for girls. So,
My class is doing plate dance.
what? Oh, play.
Plate dance.
So West Sumatra plate dance. Okay, nice. Mm. Uh, hang on. Fourth graders were. Oh yeah. Okay. Thank you. Azizi, was there something fun at school today?
No.
Satria played baseball with his friends. Kyra had an earthquake simulation. Sophia had a bazaar day from the fourth graders. How about you?
There is no fun thing.
Not even at during lessons? You didn't like the lessons?
I didn't hate it, but there is nothing interesting.
Yeah. I don't. There was nothing fun. I didn't hate it, but I didn't like it either. Zizi. Oh, by the way, are you feeling well today?
Yes.
Better than last week. Last week. Last Monday. Hmm. How about you, Satria? Are you feeling well today?
Yes.
There you go. So the last session, we already talked about The pirates. The golden vanity. The golden vanity. Okay. To make a quick game before we continue to icebergs, let's go with this. Okay, everyone. Now I'm going to ask you to circle the mast. Where is it? Please circle the not the word, Kyra, the picture, a picture of a mast. There you go. Nice. Azizi got it. That's the picture of a mast. This is also a mast. Okay. How about please find me pictures of, let me zoom out so you can see more. Ah, there you go. Please find pictures of waves. Nobody? Waves?
Word or the picture?
The picture. Waves. Da-da-da. No one? They are there. Ah, there you go. Okay, Sophia got them. These are waves, by the way. Waves doesn't have to be big. It can also be small. Okay, the next one, please find a picture of hmm, a flag. Okay, Satria got it this time. Nice. And the last one, please find a picture of a captain. Everyone was quick. Okay, there you go. So, guys, do you still remember the Titanic? What made the Titanic sink?
Iceberg.
Iceberg, an iceberg. Do you know where the iceberg was? Ah, go find it.
North Attic.
North. Whoa. Satrio knows this fact. Okay. North Arctic, Satrio. Is that true? Did you say North Arctic?
Yes.
Okay, let's check. I'm not even sure, but let's check. North Arctic, Titanic. RM, what is RMS again? I know HMS and KMS. What is RMS? Ah, so many MSMS. Satrio, what is RMS? Oh, North Atlantic, not North Arctic, North Atlantic, North Atlantic Ocean. RMS. What does it mean? The root means square. Royal Mail Ship. Oh, I see. So it's the British ship for civilians. British ship for civilians. Not for army. Army. Navy. So today we're going to talk about icebergs. Um, I'm going to ask you to scan the text. Is iceberg made of salt ocean water?
Yes.
Hmm? Find it in the text. Is iceberg made of salt ocean water?
Oh, no, 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 no.
No. So what is it made of?
No.
The smell of fresh water.
Fresh water of snow. Okay, so this water here in the iceberg and this water is different. Have you ever seen um, when fresh water combined with salt water? Fresh water combined with salt water. There you go. As you can see, usually when fresh water and seawater meet, they don't become one because the salt is, how do you say that?
The salt is in the seawater.
Mm-mm. Tingkat ka, bukan keasaman. Tingkat ke I suddenly forget. What is it? Tingkat
Kasinan.
keasinan. Astagfirullah. Thank you, Satrio. Tingkat keasinannya berbeda. So they don't mix. Okay. Now imagine if this water melts, what will happen to the seawater?
Uh,
This is iceberg melts. So the iceberg is going down, but there will be more water. What happened to the seawater?
there will be more water.
There will be more water. Will the seawater rise?
Uh,
Will the seawater rise? Because there will be more water.
I think. mm,
Go find it in the text.
no,
Will,
I think not. No,
will the
no.
seawater rise?
It will.
Mix full of water on top of the iceberg.
It will make full of water on top of the iceberg. Got it. Now I'm going to ask you to find, each of you will show me a different picture of icebergs. So go on, please find iceberg and share it on your screen so we know different icebergs. If you have found one, please share your picture. And others, when your classmate showed a picture of iceberg, you cannot show the same picture.
Can we search it on Google?
Ah, oh yeah, sure. Where else can you find it if it's not? Oh, Bing, Bing, Bing. You can also use Bing. What else? Bing, Google. But please don't ask AI to create a picture for you. It must be real, real icebergs. Anyone wants to share?
I think I will.
Okay. Oh yeah, yeah. Why is back to there you go. So this is the iceberg in
And I clicked the wrong here.
You saved the picture. Okay, this is the iceberg. Nice one. Thank you. As you can see, it's white because it's from snow. Thank you, Sophia. Who else wants to share?
How to end screen?
And screen, I will end it for you. And
Thank you.
okay, go ahead, Kyra.
Wait, wait, I don't know.
Yeah, Kyra doesn't know how to share her screen. Oh, you've been using this tablet for a while. How can you not know how to share your
The, what's the name?
I know.
share? The green
Share
button. Yeah, there's a
green
green
button.
button.
In Indonesia,
Berbagi.
bagikan.
Yeah, I think.
Okay. Um, it's a camera or
The
it,
uh, did you use Chrome?
oh yeah,
Mm.
I know.
Yo, Sophia is
Wait,
having. Is that Miss Shui?
I can't.
Seriously, you
No,
can't.
it's a
Oh,
T.
oh yeah, I know. First,
Ah,
It's bagikan sign.
what? Bajikan.
um,
Yeah, in mine it's bagikan.
Oh, bagikan. Oh, okay. So this is another iceberg. As you can see, there's a hole in the iceberg. Okay. So an iceberg is not always like a mountain. Ah, what? Okay. An iceberg can also look like a cave. There are holes in it and so on. Thank you, Khaira.
yeah.
Who's next?
Me.
Okay, go ahead.
Second, okay.
Lo, lo. Why is it gone? Go ahead, Satria. So we already saw something like a mountain from Sophia, something like a cave from Khaira. Let's see what Satria is going to show us. Satria, you haven't shared anything. Satria, you said you wanted to share.
Yes, but I don't know why I can't do it.
Wait, let me try. Okay, try again. Earlier, you already shared your screen, but somehow it was off. Still no? Wait, well, Satria is trying to find out why his sharing is not working. Azizi, please share your screen. Wait, it's still dark. Ah, this is another one. Okay. So if you can see this one out, it's so huge. It's like a
The
land.
wall.
Hmm. So there's a cave and it looks like a land as it's so big. There you go.
It's like a wall.
Wall, yeah. It looks like a wall, a giant wall. Okay, so different types of icebergs. Thank you, Azizi. Back to Satria.
Can I have the photo in my another phone?
Yeah, sure.
Okay. This is my search.
Ah, hang on. Ah, there you go. As you can see in Satria's picture, it's there's something inside the water. Okay, it's not just iceberg above the water, but there's something under the water. Okay, thank you, Satria. Most icebergs are like this, though. Iceberg underwater. There you go. So if you see an iceberg as big as your house, it means that under the water, the iceberg is 3 times bigger than your house. Okay. So what is above the water is only a small part of the iceberg. That's why the Titanic hit the iceberg. Imagine this. I'm going to put this, okay? This is the iceberg, right? Imagine that this is the Titanic. Tring, tring, tring.
Whoa, it doesn't melt.
Wait, it doesn't because it was, but this is the Titanic. Okay. Just imagine. I know my drawing is bad, but you can imagine that. They think they're still far away from the iceberg. So they move forward, getting closer to the iceberg, getting closer and closer and closer. They think, I mean, this is the iceberg, as you can see. They think they're still far away, but if you take a look at the bottom here, it's already crushing the ship. And that's what happened to the Titanic. They didn't realize that the below the water, the iceberg is already crashing the ship. Okay? So that's why the ship had holes and then the ship went sinking. Okay. So those are about icebergs. Now let's read about it. Why doesn't it move? There. Ah,
It crashed.
no, just there's a glitch. Aha. Eeny, meeny, miny, mo, catch tiger by the toe. Satria is going to read until Jamaica. Khaira is going to read until ships. Sophia is going to read until, whoa, this is too long. Until drink this. And Azizi is going to read until melting. Okay, go ahead, Satria.
Iceberg, a floating island made of uh, made of ice. Most are found in the North Atlantic Ocean and Antarctica. They are very dangerous for ships. An iceberg can be as small as a car or as big as a country like Jamaica.
Thank you.
Even small icebergs are very heavy and can destroy a ship or make a big hole in it. Only about 15% of an iceberg can be seen above the water. Most of it is below the ocean. Since the Titanic sank, the position of icebergs is now shown on maps, and the North Atlantic Ocean is much safer, uh, safer for ships.
Thank you.
An iceberg is made of snow, so it is fresh water, not salt water like the ocean. The ice melts and makes pools of water on top of the iceberg, and birds and other creatures can drink this.
Thank you.
Some animals and birds, like polar bears, penguins, and seals, make their homes on around icebergs. When they float toward warmer water, icebergs start to melt. The planet is getting warmer, so more icebergs are melting.
Thank you. Okay. Take a look at this. We have some words that we need to highlight. The first one, how do we say this one?
Island,
Almost. Don't cut the S. The second S.
island,
The second S.
islands,
There you go. Islands. So you don't read the first S, but you do read the second S. Islands. Okay. Khaira, islands.
Islands,
Got it. Satria.
Islands.
Azizi.
Islands.
Got it. The second one, I know Sophia said it correctly, but there is a better way to say this. How do we say this?
in it,
In it. There you go. This is what Sophia did earlier. Or make a big hole. Sophia, Khaira, sorry. Or make a big hole in it. So instead of saying in it, we can combine it. In it. Or make a big hole in it. Okay. Khaira, let's try. Or make a big hole in it.
make a big hole in it.
There you go. Sophia?
make a big hole in it.
No, why is it? Or make a big hole in or make a big hole in it. Try to combine. Go.
Or make a big hole in it.
There you go. Azizi?
Or make a big hole in it.
Nice. Satrio?
Make a big hole in it.
Got it. And then this one also, you can combine these. How do we say this one?
Most of it.
Most of it is, got it. So let's try. Most of it is below the ocean. Let's try from Azizi. Most of it is below the ocean.
Most of it is below the ocean.
Nice. Sophia?
Most of it is below the ocean.
Nice. Khaira? Most of it. Bah! What is most of it? Bah! Go.
Sorry, that's a question.
Most of it is below the ocean.
What's up? Ah! Most of it is below the ocean.
There you go. Satrio?
Most of it is below the ocean.
There you go. Because this one is the ocean. How do we say this one?
The ice.
The ice. There you go. So instead of the ice melts, the ice melts. Okay. Let's start from Satria. The ice melts.
The ice melts.
Mm-hmm. Azizi.
The ice melts.
Mm-hmm. Khaira.
The ice melts.
Got it. Sophia.
The ice melts.
Yes. The ice. Ugh, the ice melts. Got it. And then the last one.
Polar bears.
Got it. So this one, I know Azizi said it right, but she was hesitant to say this. Polar bears, polar. So not polar, polar. Okay, polar bears. Khaira, polar bears.
Eh, sorry, what?
Polar bears.
Polar bears.
There you go. Satria, polar bears.
Polar bears.
There. Azizi, polar bears.
Polar bears.
Mm-hmm. Sophia,
Polar bears.
there you go, polar bears indeed. Okay. So what are icebergs? Now, try to answer these questions. What are some good things about icebergs and what are some bad things about icebergs? Hmm. So I'm going to split you into two groups. Khaira and Satria in one group, Azizi and Sophia in one group. You two find out in one group, okay? You need to say one good thing about an iceberg and one bad thing about it. So decide between you two, chat privately, who's going to find the bad thing and who's going to find the good thing. Remember, if the other team already mentioned the good thing and you have the same good thing, it means that you need to find out other good thing about the iceberg. Why is Sophia turning off her video? Video. Okay, whose team is ready? At least one good thing and one bad thing from one team. The answers can be found in this text too, you know. Kaira and Satria, are you ready? I don't read body language.
No,
No, okay. Azizi and Sophia, are you ready?
No.
No, okay. I'll give you 2 more minutes. And then, ready or not, you have to uh, tell me. Hmm, I have the timer here. Okay. So, who's ready? Kaira, Satria, or Azizi Sophia? Mm, nobody is volunteering. Okay. What is one plus two? One plus. Sorry. What is one plus two?
3.
Three. Satria, choose who will start first. Your team or Azizi and Sophia's team?
Azizi.
Okay. Azizi and Sophia, go ahead. One good thing and one bad thing about icebergs.
Good thing first or bad thing first?
Up to you. I'm ready to type whichever you said. You say,
So,
guys, Azizi, Sophia, let's go.
the position, the position the, of icebergs.
Wait. Is this good or bad? Where should I write it?
No, no, I'm the good thing.
Good. Okay, I'm going to type it here. Go ahead.
The position of icebergs is now shown on maps. Ocean, North Atlantic Ocean is much safer for ships.
Wait, this is not about the iceberg, but about the position of the iceberg. What is the good thing or the positive thing about icebergs? I'm not taking that, Sophia. So sorry. That's the position Azizi, what have you got?
Um, the bad thing is icebergs can harm offshore structures.
Icebergs can harm what?
Offshore structures.
Offshores. Offshore structures. There you go. Now I cannot see the letter. Okay. So icebergs can harm offshore structures. Khaira and Satria, if you're wondering what offshore structures are, what are they, Azizi? Offshore structures?
Struktur yang di lepas pantai.
Hmm. So you do know that sometimes oil can be found under the ocean, right? Now icebergs can actually destroy the structure. So this one is offshore structure. There you go. So these are offshore structures and icebergs can destroy it. I'll take that. That's one bad thing about icebergs. Sophia, one good thing? Is Sophia asleep? Sophia, are you there? Are you awake? There you go. Okay. So what's one good thing about icebergs? Jing, 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 jing. Sophia will think about it. I'll come back to you, Sophia. Satria, Khaira, your turn.
The sentence
Good or
the
bad?
truth or
Which
no.
one? Just one.
Uh, yeah. The sentence for us are that in the book or no.
Up to you. For example,
Oh,
like
okay, okay, okay,
Azizi's bad thing about iceberg is not here, but you can also find the
okay,
bad
okay.
thing about icebergs here.
Okay.
So good or bad?
But
Bad, okay?
uh, yeah. Not only do icebergs sprinkle nutrients into ocean
Wait.
water.
Slow down, Kyra. I have to type. Go, go, go. Okay. Only
Uh, Not only
or
do
not only?
icebergs sprinkle the sprinkle
Sprinkle.
nutrients, yeah,
So not
yeah,
only the icebergs
nu-
sprinkle.
nutrients,
What?
nutrients.
Huh. Can you spell it?
Wait, I write in group
No,
chat.
no, 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 no. I didn't ask you to type. I have to type it and you have to say it. That's the challenge. Spell it. What's the next word? Sprinkle what?
Nutrients, not,
How do you spell that?
huh?
Spell. Dieja.
Okay, okay. And you are,
Slow down. I have to type. Go, go, go.
okay, okay, okay. And
S. S, right?
In English, N is what? N.
Oh, N. N,
Nah. U,
U,
G,
C,
T, T.
T, okay,
Yeah. R,
R,
E,
E,
A,
A,
yeah. E. Sorry.
E,
Wait. Uh, wait. N,
N,
T,
E, nutrient,
T, T,
T,
T. Yeah.
nutrient. What is nutrient?
In A, Nutrients.
Oh, I. Ah, N, T, nutrients,
Yeah.
not nutrients,
Yeah. Sorry,
with
what?
E,
Not.
like this.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. Into ocean waters.
Into ocean water.
They also
They also
drop
drop
chunks
chunks
of rock
of rock.
through it.
What?
Maybe I don't know. Tarmed.
T A R M
E A A. No, not A, but E.
E
Yeah.
T
Uh,
R M.
RMED.
Okay. Chunks of
Yeah.
rock. Term.
Glacial.
What?
G G.
G
Yeah. E L
L
A C E.
I.
Yeah. E.
Glacier.
Gla- Glacial. The
Glacier.
glass. EL
E L.
GLAGEAL.
Glatzer. Oh, like this.
No.
G
Wait. G L
Mhm.
A C.
A
Uh. GLACI.
glacier.
Wait. No. A. 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 Yeah. A L L.
A L. Glacial.
No. Not that. Not E and R.
Not
Not E
E
and
and
R.
glacial. Like this.
Ah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Term glacial. That's it?
Yeah. Yeah.
Okay.
Drop stones. Drop stones.
Drop stones.
Drop. Dropstones.
Tones. Drop stones. Like this?
Yeah,
Okay.
yeah.
Thank you. Hey, Satrio, the good one.
Uh, the the iceberg
Mm-hmm.
is helping
Or helping
to absorb
absorb
carbon dioxide.
dioxide. Okay, there you go. Icebergs are helping to absorb carbon dioxide. Sophia, you're a good one.
The iceberg offer opportunities for scientific research
Wait, wait,
like
wait, 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 wait. I have to type. Icebergs opportunity.
of the iceberg offer
Oh, offer
opportunities
opportunities.
for scientific research
Scientific research.
like oceanography.
How do you spell oceanography?
O C E A N O G graphic.
Geography.
Yeah.
How?
Just read graphic.
Graphy.
No.
You said graphy. Now it's wrong.
O C E A N O G R A P H Y.
Why? There you go. Imagine this, okay? Is it difficult for you to relay information to me? Do you think it was difficult for you to relay information to me? Hang on. Let me go to this one. Do you think it was difficult for you to relay information to me? Yes or no?
Yes.
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 Yes. You are the scientists. Now we talk about this one. You are the scientist. You are doing research on icebergs. Unfortunately, there are no internet signals on the icebergs. So you will have to do it like earlier. You have to talk to people like this, shout things, shout sometimes. Sometimes you have to shout if you are there on the icebergs because they don't have signals. So there you go. These are some good and bad things about icebergs. It can give opportunities for research. It can help absorb carbon dioxide, but it can also harm offshore structures, ships, and so on. And it can drop chunks of rock. We're going to watch how icebergs drops chunks of rocks. I'm sure some of you may have seen it. Flippers. Icebergs wetsuit drops chunks mask of rock. Kayak. Hang on. Ah, there. Can you see it? Okay. We're going to. The people were clapping. But I'm going to ask you something. Is it dangerous or safe?
Oh, sorry,
Dangerous.
is it a
Satrio
question?
said dangerous. Kaira, what do you want to say?
Is it a
Dangerous?
question?
Safe. So dangerous or safe? Dangerous, right? But if you see the water, it will rise. Now, this is what we call, we're going to go further than just icebergs. We're going to go further with global warming. Has any one of you learned about global warming at school?
Yes.
Yes. What
Yes.
does it mean by global warming then? There you go. What does it mean by global warming?
It's like greenhouse effect.
You need to explain it to me, Satria. What is
Um,
how?
Greenhouse effect is like uh in a house
Mhm.
the some carbon dioxide and anything else is uh can can out from the house.
Mhm.
I think like that.
And what will it make? It's
It
natural, right?
make it's make hot and so dangerous for the plant
There
inside
you
the
mm,
greenhouse.
got it. So sometimes, tell me one thing. I see an AC in Satria's behind Satrio. Khaira, Azizi, Sophia, do you have an AC there? Air conditioner?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yes, yes, yes. Everyone has an
Yes.
AC. Imagine you are using an AC, you feel cool, but AC actually, as Satria mentioned, gives out carbon dioxide, air conditioner. Hmm.
It does though.
Uh-huh. So does air conditioner contribute carbon dioxide? Yes. Now, when you have too much carbon dioxide outside, not inside your house, because inside your house it's cool. You're using the AC, but outside it will gives out carbon dioxide. When there's too much carbon dioxide outside, the outside will get hotter and hotter. Now imagine what will happen when the Arctic is hotter. What will happen to these icebergs?
Mel.
Melt
They will melt. And if they melt, what will happen to the sea?
the sea
Will rise.
The sea will rise. If the sea will rise, what will happen to our land?
Flood. Tsunami.
There, because this is our, usually sea is here and our land is here. But if the sea level rises, we will be under the sea level and there will be flood coming in to our land. So is it
And
dangerous?
yes, it is. We
Mm,
will live on the roof.
there you go. And Sophia wants to say something. And
No,
there. And what? Please tell me. And what? And what, Sophia?
and if the house is the room got built, we will live in the roof.
We will live in the roof. Or We will be
Or down.
we will be drowned. There you go. So try to use air conditioner wisely, okay? Because it gives out carbon dioxide. It's dangerous for the environment. Now we are going to try and do this. GEYL graphic organizer. Wait a second. Let me open it for you. Chapter 6. Okay. Huh? Wait. We are in chapter 6, right? What is this? Oh, astaghfirullah. This is Story Central. Hang on. Wrong level. Allahu Akbar. Level 5. Mm. Uh, okay, so everyone, Khaira, Satria, Azizi, Sophia, please find a picture, a paper and a pencil. You're going to make a graphic organizer. Go ahead.
What is that?
Uh, just go grab a pencil.
Can I just do in a drawing book?
Yeah, sure.
Okay.
There you go. We are going to try to fill this graphic organizer. Can you see the title? Khaira,
Yeah.
please read it. Got it. So there are 4 parts in the global warming. First of all, what does global warming mean? We already talked about it. What happened when there is a global warming? We already talked about it.
I don't.
What happens next after the global warming happens? We already talked about it. And why does it happen? We already talked about it. Now it's your turn to retell what we've talked about in your own language.
So we already talked about it.
Yeah, retelling. This is what we're doing. So go ahead and make your global warming graphic organizer. There should be 4 parts of it, and you're going to retell about global warming.
We have to draw the iceberg.
If you don't want it, you don't have to. But it's
Okay.
fun. Yeah, but it's fun to draw the icebergs. This one looks like a tooth, to be honest. Remember, try to do it in your own language. So don't go to the internet and copy paste the information from the internet. Try to understand it,
Ah,
what we talked about. Udah
I
paham?
just really forgot.
Yeah, okay. Let's check again. So what is global warming? Global warming is when we use
Air, oxygen,
too
uh,
much, too much thing that gives out carbon
dioxide.
dioxide. And then when we use too much things that use carbon that gives out carbon dioxide, the weather will get
Hotter.
hotter. When the weather gets hotter, it will melt what?
Iceberg.
Icebergs. And when the icebergs melt, what happened?
Flood.
Not yet, not the flood yet.
Rise.
The what?
The sea.
The sea will rise and there There you go. Now try to
But
explain it with your own words.
I still don't know.
Ah. Hmm. One of the reasons teachers are smarter than learners, you know, because teachers keep repeating what they learn. Yang namanya guru kan udah belajar nih, apa yang mau diajarin nanti belajar dulu. Guru tuh pasti mengulang kembali, terus mengulang apa yang dia pelajari. Makanya guru biasanya lebih pintar daripada siswa. If learners want to be smarter than the teacher, you know what to do. You also repeat what you learn often. You can search on Google what other things that we use which gives out which give out carbon dioxide. Cars. I think cars also give out carbon dioxide. So air conditioners, cars, motorcycles, I think. Sorry. You have 10 more minutes.
I don't.
You do know we already talked about it. Try to remember it and tell it in your own language. Oh, before I forgot, since we already finished our CLIL, you know what we will have next session, right?
No.
Yeah, TC. TC. City.
What that?
Easy.
City.
A person named City?
Yeah, what? C. T. C.
What does City stand for?
Chapter test.
Oh,
Yeah. So because we have finished CLIL today, well, I hope you finish it so it doesn't stay as something that you have to do outside the class. I mean, this is simple. You can finish it in the next 7 minutes.
I still didn't know what anything.
You come on. You do know, Sophia. Just try. Oh, Kyra is going to. Kyra, are you going to be absent for the chapter test then? No.
Huh?
Are you going to be absent for the? Is the competition going to be until
Oh,
now?
yeah.
Really? Wait, wait,
See?
wait. Is
Yeah.
your choir competition in the morning or until night?
Maybe. Uh, mm, I don't know.
You are going to join the chapter test? No. Okay. When you're done, you can read your uh what is it? Graphic organizer and leave Zoom. So who is ready to read and leave Zoom?
I'm done, but.
But don't worry, making mistakes is very natural. Berbuat kesalahan itu, membuat kesalahan itu sesuatu yang alami. Don't be afraid, just do it.
Mm,
Go
mm,
ahead.
mm. Wait, me?
Hmm.
Okay. What does global warming mean? Global warming
Hang
results
on, hang on, hang
from
on. Keep that
type.
pah away. So from the beginning, don't say pah. Go. You don't want to go. For example, Kyra is going to join an English speech competition. Okay, so everyone, global warming is pah. What?
Ah,
Don't use pah. You will get used to it. Nanti terbiasa. Okay, go.
mm. Okay. What does global warming? Global warming result carbon dioxide. What happened? It's getting hot in outside. What happened next? The iceberg bits melt. Why? The sea level become higher and higher.
Oh, you should switch between this and this. What happens? The the weather is getting hotter. By the way, not in outside. In outside means di dalam, di luar. The weather is getting
Oh,
hotter
yeah, but
outside.
it's getting hot outside. Yeah,
Uh-huh.
yeah, yeah.
And then you need to switch this, Kaira. So what happens next? There will be flood. Why? The why is here. Kenapa? Because the sea level will rise. So switch it.
Right.
Miss,
Yeah, okay.
You said that why is because the sea level because there's flood, right?
So, yeah, 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 yeah,
So
yeah.
the why should be because the sea level rise. The flood
Right.
should be here.
Okay.
Banjirnya jadinya di sini. Apa yang terjadi selanjutnya? Akan banjir. Kenapa? Bla 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 bla.
Now,
So one more time. Global warming.
but then what happens is it's getting hot outside. Yeah,
It's getting hot outside. Yeah. What happens next?
and the iceberg
Switch it
is
with this one.
melt.
Switch it with this one. Tukeran ke sini. So the
Oh,
iceberg melts is
this.
why. What happens next is that one.
Okay, okay, okay. I know, I know, I know, I know, I
Okay.
know.
Go
Okay,
ahead
okay.
and try again.
What does global warming mean?
Mhm.
Global warming results carbon dioxide. What happened? It's getting hot outside. What happens next? The sea level become higher and higher. Why? Because the iceberg is melt.
There you go. Thank you. Now you may leave the Zoom room because you have finished. Don't forget, next session we have a CT chapter test. Bye bye, Kaira. Yes, Khair. Khair. Yes, Satria. What's your question?
Bye bye.
Now I want to,
Do it.
yes.
Okay, go ahead.
What does global warming
Mm. Duh, Satria muted. Ano?
global warming? It's mean some greenhouse effect. It is not the natural warming process of the earth caused by greenhouse gases in the atmosphere.
The language is too difficult for me to understand. That must be from the internet. Okay.
Miss,
What happens?
But
Miss.
Wait, Sophia.
once
Satria is speaking.
the iceberg is melt and the water is so hot. What happened next? The the sea is the sea is rises and they can make a float. Why? Because the carbon dioxide from a factory.
Because carbon dioxide from factory. Why?
Right? What means
What does carbon dioxide from factory?
it's like some gas uh outside the factory
Mhm. So you can say because some gas, some
because some gas from the factory
make,
because
balikan
some
di sini,
make
the weather.
the water hot and iceberg is melt.
There you go. Okay. Thank you, Satrio. You may leave the Zoom room.
Okay,
Bye bye.
thank you everyone.
Yes, Sophia. What do you want to say?
Uh, it uh, mine is just like the same like Kaira. I don't know what to do.
Wait. The same means exactly the same words you
Not
use
the
for
exact. No, not the exactly.
There. It's different then, not the same. Okay, who's going to do it next? Azizi or Sophia? Guys, I only have 1 more minute and then I have to go to my next class. Okay, go ahead, Azizi.
What does global warming mean? Global warming is a situation where humans producing too much carbon dioxide. What happens? The Earth temperature will rise or gets warmer.
Mm-hmm.
What happens next? The icebergs will melt or drop in chunks and the sea level will rise.
Okay.
Why? Because the warm temperature of the Earth makes the icebergs melt.
Mm-hmm. There you go. Because the warm temperature. Okay, I'll take that too. Thank you, Azizi. You may leave the Zoom room now. Bye bye. Remember, chapter test next session, okay?
Okay, miss, thank you.
Sophia, your turn.
Uh, I don't know.
Mm. Okay, this is the deal. Uh, I'll give you more time, but you need to take a photo of your organizer and send it to the group, okay? So you don't have to say it to me now. Sophia,
Yeah.
I can't hear you.
Yeah.
Yeah, that sounds like a mood to me. Okay, then. So, Sophia, I'll be waiting for your graphic organizer. Think about it. I know you have the same pattern with Khaira, but it doesn't mean you use the same words, right? You can use your own words. Mm-mm. So, I'll be waiting for that graphic organizer. Good night, Sophia. Bye bye. Assalamualaikum.
Waalaikumsalam.